This drink is called a Dorado, kind of like the car without the L in front, just a Dorado. Its main ingredient is tequila, also has lime juice and honey. Now, it calls for a highball filled with ice. We're going to shake this up first and strain it into our highball glass because of the honey. We want to make sure we get that mixed up real well. So let's get our shaker glass and we'll fill it with ice. And the main ingredient being tequila. Now, if you've ever heard someone say, I had some tequila last night, I saw a worm in the bottle, that is actually not tequila. That is called mezcal. It's made in a different area in Mexico. It is kind of similar to tequila, but you will never see tequila with a worm in the bottle. Okay? Someone gives you a bottle and says some tequila, you see a little worm in there, yeah, you're not drinking tequila. Let's do 2 ounces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. This little gizmo here is called a jigger. You can pick this up at any restaurant supply store to help you measure your pours. Let's take a little lime juice, like so, and our secret ingredient, honey. This will definitely sweeten it up. And let's shake this up real well, shall we? Good shake. I get that honey mixed up real well. Oh, having a problem. Medic. That looks good. Kind of like a margarita. And we'll strain it into our highball glass. Yeah, that looks like a tasty Dorado. You know what I'm saying, man? Just kick back and relax, man. Enjoy.